how to see and limit screen time for apps on Google Pixel phone. First, you want to go to the app. So I'm gonna go to YouTube app, then tap and hold, and then go to app info, and then scroll down. You'll see screen time. Over here, you can see your daily screen time. Today I've done 2 hours and 43 minutes. I can also see my screen time from the last week. And what you can also do is set a daily time limit for your screen time. So let's say you want to set a time limit of 30 minutes every day for using YouTube. You can just set it to 30 minutes and then click OK. And then since I've already done over 30 minutes today, I can't use YouTube, see? I'll have to wait till tomorrow. So that's it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.